Two productivity titans, one focused, one collaborative, go head to head. Which one truly powers your workflow in 2025? On the left, Obsidian, the second brain for note-takers and thinkers. And on the right, Monday.com, the colorful command center for teams and projects. Let's skip the marketing talk and see what really matters. Each category gets a score, so by the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out on top. The result could surprise anyone. All right, before we jump in, here's a quick mind map of what we're actually comparing today. Price, features and customization, collaboration, privacy and data ownership, performance and ease of use, and, oh yeah, accessibility and platforms. That's our roadmap for today. So let's kick things off. Let's talk price first, because let's be real, that's usually where the decision starts. So, Obsidian, and I love this, it's free for personal use, like totally free. But here's a catch. If you want device syncing or publishing online, those are paid add-ons. It's pretty reasonable though, honestly, like $4 a month for syncing. Oh, and there's a commercial license, but you only pay that once, which is kind of awesome in 2025. Now, Monday.com, this is a whole different vibe. It's all about plans. Tiered plans, user-based pricing, the works. There's a little teaser with a 14-day free trial, but after that, it's $8 to $9 per user per month. If you've got a big team, yeah, that adds up. So, for price, Obsidian totally takes the win here. All right, moving on. Features and customization. Obsidian is for the tinkerers. It's built around Markdown. You know, the nerdy stuff, but super flexible. There's bidirectional linking, an absolutely wild plugin ecosystem, and you can customize your workflow however you want. But in all honesty, if you are after complex project management out of the box, you'll be reaching for plugins and fiddling around a bit. Then Monday.com. This thing is like a playground for project managers. There are automations, time tracking, those neat visual boards like Kanban and Gantt, good vibes for teams. But here's the thing, customization is good, just not as wild as Obsidian's. It's structured, and structure can be a bit of a double-edged sword. But if we're talking flexibility and cool quirks, Obsidian walks away with it. Next up, collaboration. All right, this is where Monday.com flexes hard. Obsidian does have some paid options for collaborating and syncing, and you can share notes, but real talk, it's really made for solo use. Monday.com though? Oh, you want real-time multi-user action, comments, file sharing, mentions. It's got all that stuff out of the box. In fact, it can almost feel like too much if you're just working solo. But for teams, Monday.com absolutely sweeps this category. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Obsidian's core team is literally just 2 developers, whereas Monday.com, yeah, powers over 180,000 organizations worldwide. Talk about scale, right? Now on to privacy and data ownership. Honestly, this is where I get a little excited about Obsidian. Your notes live locally. You control everything. Offline first, no big brother in the cloud unless you choose it, and even then, it's totally optional. Sure, you pay if you want the cloud sync, but it's pretty neat to have the choice, right? Monday.com goes big on enterprise security and automatic cloud backups, a must for huge organizations. But also, your data is, well, always on their servers. There's a bit of vendor lock-in, which kind of freaks me out if I'm being honest. So if privacy is your jam, Obsidian's the clear winner here. All right. Performance and ease of use. Obsidian is fast, like lightning quick, because it's local and doesn't rely on the internet. The interface is lightweight, but honestly, new users can feel overwhelmed by all that flexibility. Monday.com, on the other hand, has a modern and visual UI. Great onboarding, especially for teams. Thing is, it can start to lag if your boards get super complex. And when you're using it solo, it's almost like, why do I need all this? Both are solid. And honestly, it's a tie in this round. Finally, accessibility and platforms. Obsidian runs on everything. Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android. Plus, local access is a win for folks who just want their stuff offline. The catch though? Cloud Sync needs a paid add-on or some hacky workaround. And there's no slick, browser-only version. Monday.com is full cloud. Open your browser, you're in. Plus, native mobile apps. But here's the quirky part. If your Wi-Fi drops, features start vanishing. It's super accessible, but not so much offline. So for platforms and getting in from anywhere, Monday.com comes out on top. Let's take a quick look at the radar chart. It kind of shows you visually where each tool shines. Price and privacy? Obsidian kills it. Collaboration and accessibility? Monday.com's on fire. For features, both have a strong showing, but the rest, well, it sort of depends what you're after. So what's my take here? If you're flying solo, love privacy, and want to shape your digital workspace however you want, Obsidian's probably your dream. But if you're working with a team, need tons of collaboration tools, dashboards, and automations, Monday.com is definitely where it's at. Both have their quirks, but your winner is going to depend on whether you want solo flexibility or team firepower. Hey, if you like this showdown, let me know what you want to see next. Honestly, try both Obsidian and Monday.com and see which one boosts your productivity. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you next time.